Hey, the ring picked up a delivery.
Oh. Well, you didn't order anything, did you?
Well, not lately.
Not anything? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's here, dude. It's here. Oh my god. Hey, alright, cut the intro. We don't need to, we don't have time for that, okay? Listen, we have something really cool today. It's upstairs. It just came in the mail today. We gotta go. We gotta unbox it. I've been talking about this thing for like a couple months now. I waited a whole year for it. It's time. God, dude. This guy must hate us. Dude, it's finally here, the Snapmaker. The box inside of a box. Oh, Lord.
Let's take this out first.
For my box.
Oh, these are small.
Okay, so our plan today is to put the Snapmaker together and to try and put it next to the Cricut over on this table though. First thing we need to do is get rid of all these staples and all these small cardboard pieces and like move them over here by the dock toy. This is the big box that the Snapmaker actually came in. Huge box. Sorry to the mailman, I had to carry it up to the front porch, but I appreciate it. Okay, we're gonna start by opening up the Snapmaker A350 starter manual. Oh, it comes with some stickers. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Alright, we're reading our quick start guide. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this over to the couch and read it, and then we'll get started. Alright, I finished reading the quick start guide, and it seems pretty simple. It actually gives you really nice pictures and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and start assembling this thing. I didn't know how far it went.
That was like a
I made just a simple cube. What dog? You gonna bring it here? Okay, last one. Go play. Go play. Hello everyone, welcome. As you could probably see from the time lapse, it is here. This is the Snapmaker. It has finally arrived in the mail. We ordered it last November, I think. It was on sale for like a pre-order bonus and everything. And I thought I could do CNC mill, 3D printing, and laser engraving all in one. And I was like, that's pretty cool. I kind of want to have that, especially for like $1,000 roughly. I thought it was a pretty good price. Well, but it was supposed to ship in May. It got pushed back till August. And then in August, they were like, yeah, we'll let you know whenever it's going to ship in September. Finally, it did ship in September, like September 10th, and we just got it the other day, I think like October 5th or whatever. So it's finally here. So if you're wondering what I've printed so far, it's not very much. I printed this 10mm cube. Fun fact, if you go in like a CAD software, I'm using Onshape currently, and I made it 1 inch by 1 inch, exported it in inches, so essentially it would be 1 by 1 by 1. When I brought it into the Snapmaker program, like the Snapmaker Lubin, it actually took those inches and converted them into millimeters and made it 1mm by 1mm by 1mm. And I didn't really know what it was, so I scaled it up by 10, and it made it 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter. So if you're going to use inches, export in millimeters because that fixes it, or you have to multiply it by 2,540 times to get it the right size. But as my first print, it looks very good. It's very, very smooth. The printing process was very good. I really like it. It comes with this black filament as like a starting thing. Very nice. The only problem is, I'm new to 3D printing, and there is a little bit of like a residue left. I'll probably show you some closer up videos. Back of the bed, but there's some PLA left on there from the printing. I just need to figure out how to clean it. We asked in like some of the forums and some like community group chats and everything, and they gave us some tips. We're gonna go ahead and try that later. But as for right now, I'm very excited for it. So I plan to use this more and more. So far I've only tested out the 3D printing. I want to test out the laser engraving very shortly, and as I do, I'll make some more videos and everything. But I think that's it for the quick little unboxing time lapse and my first thoughts, like 2 days after I've gotten it. So far, very excited, ready to learn some more about this thing. By the way, this thing is loud, dude. This like power supply and everything, man, those fans, crazy, dude. In terms of build quality, it's very nice. It's all like metal and actual bolts and everything like that. Very good. It's very heavy, I will say. I've tried to lift it up and like move it and everything. Very heavy, I will say. So the actual like machine itself seems very, very sturdy, and I like it a lot. Anyways, if you liked the video, hit like. If you want to see more of the Snapmaker, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below if there's anything you think I should make with it or anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.